Hello traders, I hope you're all doing fine. I've bought two, four more stocks for the tomorrow's intraday session. So I'll provide you the levels and you have to take the trade according to the levels. So the first stock is Just Dial. If you see Just Dial, last trading session, it gave a good momentum. There was a resistance here which is crossed. Okay, so tomorrow what we have to do is, let me go to 5-minute time frame. Okay, so tomorrow you have to see whether this recaptures above 111.35. Okay, once it regains its original position, you can go ahead and buy a stock. Okay, and as you see, a stochastic RSI is falling, so there will be a buying opportunity in the stock, and you can get a targets up to here, that is 1137 for the buy side. And if the stock comes down, so you have to short here 1102, you have to short, and you'll be getting targets somewhere around 1074. This is the next crucial support for the stock. Okay, so trade accordingly according to the levels. The next stock is Antony Waste Holding. If you see the stock, it's kind of forming flag and pole pattern. So, and if we take the targets for this flag, it will come somewhere around 365. However, so for tomorrow's intraday session, so if the stock, one second, if the stock crosses 343 level, that is 345.75 level, we're gonna buy. And the first targets for us is 354. And if the stock goes in downward, so you can short the stock at 340.30, and you'll be getting targets of 333.40. So in any way, the momentum, you can trade the stocks. However, you see this is a bullish flag, so the upward momentum for the stock is preferable. So shorting the stock, I don't think so. You will get an opportunity to to short, but we can't expect anything. And so that is the reason why I've provided you both the levels, so that you can trade accordingly. Okay, the next stock is ICICI Securities. Okay, so if you see ICICI Securities, it's kind of following a wedge pattern, and it gave a breakout for this resistance level you see here, and it's kind of a retesting this. So now tomorrow what we have to do is we have to see whether it holds this position, which is 718. If it crosses 718, you're directly gonna buy, and the targets you will be getting is somewhere around 2.2%. And we see that investment banks and brokerages stocks like Motilal Oswal Finances, IFL Securities, these are all doing fine. They are all in a good momentum, and this stock will show tomorrow the momentum. So keep eye on the stock, and do not short the stock until one second. So until it's breaks 708 level. Okay, after it breaks 708 levels, then you can short. Your next targets will be 692. Okay, do not short the stock, okay, until it crosses 708 level. Okay, so this is a typical plan in this stock. So the last stock of the day is Laurus Labs. So Laurus Labs, if you see, kind of forming a symmetrical triangle. So the range has become very narrow. Tomorrow it has to give either breakout in the upside or the downside. Okay, so the first targets for you is 700.95. So once this breaks 684 level, you can go ahead and buy, and you'll be getting targets of 700. And if it breaks 677 level, you can go ahead and short, and your targets will be somewhere around 650. So this is also one stop, and you can keep an eye tomorrow. And even if I find any opportunities, even I will be trading in the stocks. And I just wanted to say one thing, that the main reason, I mean, there is one rule for me in trading intraday. Okay, the rule is simple. I'll plan the trade the day before. Okay, I'll plan 4 to 5 stocks the day before the trading session, and I will concentrate only on those stocks. Okay, so I, I will not go beyond that, because whatever our the chart readings are done should be prior to the trading day. So that is the reason why I've selected. And one more thing, if you observe, I've not selected the stocks from the same sector. If you see this, Juxdial is a technological service, that is our software service, that is somewhere related to IT. Okay, and Anthony Waste is somewhere related to transportation. Okay, and ICICI Securities is related to brokerages, and Laurus Lab is related to pharma. So I have selected 4 of the, you know, very quality stocks from all the 4 sectors. So I will definitely find one of the trades, and if the market is range bound, so we cannot expect all the stocks to perform. However, the patterns which are forming is kind of a decisive patterns, which will give you good returns. So kindly mark these levels and trade accordingly. I hope you are liking my content. Please share this with your friends and help us grow. Thank you so much for all the support, and I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session. Thank you so much.